Hello everyone, welcome to day 80 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet the V-stitch. This is a very simple stitch and it's done on a foundation chain of odd number of stitches. And here I have 9 chains done and I'm adding 3, which counts as the very first double crochet. Now I'm going to skip, so the first 3 is a double crochet and we are going to start off into the 4th chain by creating a V-stitch. A V-stitch is 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet all into the same chain space. Okay, so now you skip 2 and make the next V. Again 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet. Okay, now again skip 2 and make 1 V-stitch. Again into the last stitch you make 1 double crochet. So this 1 double crochet at the start and the end, it's like a border and it helps us keep the edges straight. Now again chain 3, turn your work. From this row onwards you need not skip anything, you just have to crochet your V-stitch into the previous V-stitch. So you see the chain 1 space here, into this we are going to place our V-stitches. There is no need to skip any stitch, you just directly go into the next V. Make sure to chain 1 in between because that's what gives you the pattern. Again when you reach the end of the row, you make 1 double crochet on top of the chain 3. Again this is also a must, otherwise your edges will not look neat. So this is the V-stitch. You can crochet this, it's just a 1 row repeat, you can crochet to any length that you want. If you have any doubts, please leave it in the comment section, we will definitely get to you, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch. Thank you.